Can we say low usage area as a no trade zone sideways market and fade the extremes also? Can you elaborate on the repair of HVN low usage area, and can those be used as a future reference once repaired, or just ignore them? If you are trading using volume profile and all those kinds of things, once the low usage area is repaired, or HVN is repaired, you do not consider it again. So sometimes it becomes a little difficult, but let me give you an example. You can see we have this HVN and it is traded up to here. It is still valid. Why? Because we did not find acceptance above that. But in this case, you can clearly see we go through that and then we find acceptance here. Now this is done. It is repaired. You should not trade it again. Okay. Now you need not trade it again. That is repaired and it's no longer valid. Let us talk about low usage areas. Where can I find one? Yeah, you can find one here. Not very easy to observe, but you can see that this is a low usage area. This balance and this balance separates that, and we trade through that. We find acceptance below the low usage area. This is now repaired. Should not look at again. So you need to see volume being attached at lower level. So here also I would say when we are going higher, we had this low usage area, then we traded through that and then we attach volume lower. So this also should be repaired. But if you are looking at it as a single balance, all right, sometimes market moves away from a balance, comes back to it, it's a different balance. What I mean to say is that, let's say market goes higher, forms a balance, leaves this area, comes back, balances again, and then comes back here. This is a separate balance, this is a separate balance. But when you are in a bigger range and then you are forming a balance here, or forming a balance here, leaving behind a low usage area, again comes down, forms a balance here, this is still a nice composite developing. And if you have a low usage area in the middle of the profile, we might try to fill that, and that is why I said we might trade here. Also, this HVN is repaired, but you have this HVN, then we come down and we form another balance. So we have low usage area between this balance and this balance that is not yet filled. So it can get a little confusing, but yes, once we trade through that zone, it is repaired and it should not be used again.